Hi everyone, welcome back to another candle making tutorial. Autumn is right around the corner, so we're going to be making a variation of our birthday sprinkle candle, but putting an autumn twist on it by using 3 sprinkle colors to resemble a giant candy corn. That's really a candle. It'll be cute, I can assure you. So for our supplies, we have yellow, orange, and white sprinkles. I just ordered these off of Amazon. We have, of course, our jar. You can use any glass jar. A mason jar would work really well as well. We have our wick. We have our sprinkles. We have corn syrup for attaching the sprinkles to the side of the jar, a pastry brush, as well as some French vanilla scent for the candle, and then of course our soy wax. And it's a good rule of thumb to use the same amount of dry wax that will fit into your jar. So first I'm just going to melt that wax down and set that to the side. I just melted it in the microwave for about 1 minute and then in 30-second intervals until it was fully melted. And now I am taking our corn syrup and I'm mixing it with the teeny tiny littlest bit of water just so that it's more spreadable. And I'm just going to put that on the very bottom of our jar because this is where we're going to put our first sprinkle coating right here. Next, I'm going to just sprinkle in a little bit of the yellow sprinkles into the bottom of the jar, and then I'm just going to move that around so that it evenly coats all around where we just put that corn syrup covering. So once we've covered that bottom layer of yellow, I'm going to just take a spoon and gently press the sprinkles into the corn syrup. This will help when we put our soy wax in later so that the sprinkles don't just fall off into the liquid and all sink towards the bottom. This way they'll stay on the side of the jar. Next, I'm going to take the corn syrup again and do a second coating right on top of that yellow stripe for the orange stripe of sprinkles. And I'm just going to ever so carefully sprinkle those orange sprinkles so that they stick to that second layer of corn syrup right above that yellow stripe. Now you can see that there is a clear orange and yellow stripe separation, which is great. And I'm just going to sprinkle out any excess sprinkles, and then I'm going to do the same thing I did with the yellow stripe, and I'm going to gently press with the spoon in the sprinkles to the side of the jar so that they stay and don't fall to the bottom as well. And now we're going to put our final layer of corn syrup right at the top of the jar and sprinkle in our white sprinkles. Alright, looking so cute already. I'm gonna put our wick into the center of the jar and hold it in place with this popsicle stick. And then I'm gonna take our cooled down suede wax and gently pour it in to the jar all the way to the top. Alright, and then you're just going to let that cool for a couple of hours, and once it sets, it looks so cute. There you have it, your first autumn DIY candy corn sprinkle candle. Thanks for watching, everyone.